Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
What's up, Summer Scoop fam? Today we've got a juicy story that's gonna blow your mind about none other than Diddy, aka Sean Combs. He's facing some serious charges, and his defense team thinks they've found a wild card to throw at the prosecutors. Get this, folks. Diddy's lawyers are claiming he was mentally impaired due to years of partying and substance abuse, which could be a game changer for their case. Now, according to documents obtained by TMZ, part of Diddy's defense strategy is centered around testimony from a Columbia professor who will supposedly give evidence that Diddy had a mental condition bearing on the issue of guilt. The specifics are sketchy, but it seems like his team is trying to say he was too stoned to know what was going on. But here's the thing. Prosecutors aren't buying it. They're saying that Diddy's defense needs to give proper notice before offering any evidence about how drugs and booze affected his memory or cognitive function. They even claim that this doctor's testimony is just an attempt to show Diddy's inability to control his behavior, which might not be a strong enough argument for them. But wait, it gets better. The indictment itself accuses Diddy of drugging his victims during the infamous freak-offs. So now Diddy's team is trying to turn that around and say he was in a drug haze himself. Talk about a classic case of my client was too messed up to be guilty. But prosecutors aren't having it. They're saying that the doctor never actually examined Diddy personally, just based on his general experience with others. And get this, they want to block another defense witness, a forensic video expert, who's set to analyze footage from the infamous Cassie Ventura hotel beating. They claim it would be irrelevant to the case and might even be misleading. The judge hasn't ruled on either request yet, but we can tell you that with the trial just around the corner, things are getting intense in New York. Diddy's lawyer, Mark Agnifilo, basically told the court that Diddy's lifestyle was just a normal part of his swinger culture, which might not be enough to get him off the hook. But what's really interesting is that the judge ruled this week that Diddy's defense team can reference his personal lifestyle choices during the trial, but they're not allowed to mention other well-known swingers or individuals accused of hiring sex workers. It sounds like Diddy's got some splainin' to do, and Summer Scoop will be keeping an eye on this story as it unfolds. In other news, a judge ruled last week that the disturbing video footage of Diddy physically assaulting his ex-girlfriend Cassie would indeed be shown in court for the jury to see. The defense tried to block it, but CNN had gotten its hands on the original copy and deleted it. Talk about a case of you can't keep a good scandal down. We'll have more updates on this story as it develops, so stay tuned, Summer Scoop fam.